Do you know what Ratchet is?
Do you know what a ratchet person is?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Yes.
What is?
Ratchet.
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 Ratchet?
Yes.
Like Ratchet?
Yeah, ratchet.
Like
You ratchet? Yeah.
like crazy Ratchet?
Somewhat. Not really sure.
Not really sure, yeah. Describe, in your best words, a ratchet person.
Everything they do is OD. Like, they overdo a lot of things. They don't know how to act in public.
Unnecessary, voluntary actions. OD unnecessary actions.
Basically. Because you took my whole, you can't.
Sorry.
Very revealing, even though they shouldn't dress that revealing because of their look. That or just like the dress like total.
It kind of, loud.
They're loud and obnoxious. They think they're like really cool and like on point or whatever, and really they're just like obnoxious and everybody's like, are you serious? Be quiet, go away.
Extremely chubby. This is in my mind.
Okay, so can a guy be ratchet?
Yeah, they can be.
Yeah.
It's hard.
It's hard.
But I've seen it done.
You seen it done?
Too well.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, so, can a guy be ratchet?
Yes.
Yes. You say?
They are culprits too. Yes.
Okay, so describe a ratchet male.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, wait, let's talk about this. Because if I can see your shorts and your pants are halfway down here towards your ankles, and then when you got that overlarge t-shirt on and grills, if you still got grills in 2013,
If you still
that's
thinking
a
that your
problem.
shirt.
Guy that wears like, I don't know, fake Gucci shoes all the time. He's like trying too hard, swagger, just vest on top of vest on top of shirt on top of everything. So I've seen it around campus. It's terrible.
Basically a woman, except a man. So you could punch him.
It's hard to describe a guy. I can only think of girls, man. When I say Ratchet, I usually think of a girl.
Yeah.
That's a hard question.
It is.
I mean, there's some guys that can wear weaves. I don't know particularly, but
Okay, alright. So, if guys could be called ratchet, how would that change the way things work?
how would it change?
Yeah. The way males like act on a normal basis, because I don't want to be called ratchet.
No,
You know?
you don't
Yeah.
have to call a guy ratchet, but I mean, it's completely necessary.
It might if they realize that they're being called ratchet. Because they're like, oh, I don't want to be like them ratchet girls. Like, oh, wait a minute, let me check myself. Well, I mean, we've been saying it, so I guess
I've been
not.
saying it for a good long time now.
Yeah.
So no, they just don't listen, I guess.
So you guys would say right now, guys can be ratchet?
Guys could be right.
Guys can be You heard it here.
Guys could be right.
Guys can be ratchets. Okay, so, last question. Are you ratchet?
No.
No. Are you sure?
Pretty positive.
Are you ratchet?
No, I'm not Ratchet.
No, yeah,
Hell no.
I'm not ratchet. That's ridiculous.
No, not at all.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you know any ratchet people?
Yes, my roommate's a real ratchet.
Can I have a number?
No.
No, sir.
I'm not gonna lie.
I have my ratchet
tendencies. Ratchet tendencies.
But that's behind closed
isn't a
doors.
ratchet lifestyle. Tendencies isn't a lifestyle.
Possibly ratchet in the shower.
Yeah.
Possibly.
I might get my Mariah Carey on in the shower. I might get my B on in the shower. But when I step out,
When I step outside that shower,
I cut it off.
I'm not gonna lie. I've been ratchet in public a few times. I'm from Richmond. It happens.
Yeah.
I mean,
You heard it here.
You heard that here first. We are not ratchets. Get it together.
I'm from the beach.
Let me let you know. Don't get it confused. That's ratchet too.
Come here, Blue.
Oh, please come here, Blue.
Oh my god.
that's ratchet.
No.
I'm on the camera, Blue. Come
I
here.
asked you first.
The camera, baby. Come on. Come on.
Look at
That's ratchet.
flashing in public is
Flashing
ratchet.
in public.
Our mascot can't be ratchet.
So we have a ratchet mascot. High five, man. That's right.
He doesn't live a ratchet life.
Word.
It's hot. I'm hot.
Word.
Yeah. We're all hot. Okay. Just got it.
Got it.
Okay.
Trace.
Yeah.
Call you. I got you.
Let me get you. Let me get it.
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, 4.
4.
That's all I need.
I need a few more. I need 3 more numbers. The area code. I know. You stuck my 7804. 2, 1, 2. Wait a minute. How do I take it down? 4. I know. Here's the half of the
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
8.